Santa Clara, taking a tour of this house that's available. Looks like it was rehabbed a little while ago. Definitely needs some new wood. I hear the roof needs some work, some tree trimming, definitely some haircuts. The doors closed off. There's another bedroom.
You know, the good part is that it's not paint, so it can be easily cleaned up. It can be easily taken down, and then somebody can resurface these cabinets, right?
Yeah, take these all off. Okay. Fridge is going. It's a nice fridge. I would take it.
Yeah.
Okay.
It has.
The living room. Is that dual pane? Looks dual pane.
So not just dual pane, they have dual windows as well.
Oh, interesting.
And dual doors and dual windows. He was just telling it to me to control the noise pollution.
There's two pairs of windows?
I thought and I saw. See these? They have like...
Wow. Is it that noisy?
Because of the airport.
Oh, that makes sense.
So,
okay.
I thought that was very interesting. Yeah, let me take a picture of that too.
That's pretty unique. Two is better than one sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
So, and these look like it. They're also sound. Oh, that's clever. These are also possibly dual pane, like two sets.
I think they're all the same.
Okay.
Yeah.
Check the other one and we move the dog.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
This is one.
So it's pretty clean.
Another bedroom. Let me show you this one first. Sorry.
Nah, just a real quick snap. I can just get one wall. Okay, nice. So this is the bathroom. Yeah, I was thinking
A drywall.
it needs a little bit of work.
Yeah.
So it needs.
That is new.
That's interesting. So he was remodeling it himself, you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, because there's a fan here already. A quieter fan. Fans are cheap.
Mess with the permits.
Yeah, looks okay. Just maybe a new mirror because of this. I don't know if you can fix that.
What I would do is I would put some of the more modern mirrors.
Right. Yeah.
I do all my remodeling on Amazon.
What?
I'll show you the tools.
Okay. That's interesting.
I do all remodeling on Amazon.
Wow. So I'm wondering what. So I wonder. So it looks like he redid it. I think it just needs baseboards and things. Maybe that's because the dog's. Okay.
Like again, it's just the floor is okay. We don't need to change the color.
Right. Just this part.
However, again, we don't need to change it. We just need to fix it a little bit.
Okay. I don't like routing. So it seems like he did the work himself. This needs to be updated. Yeah. Toilet.
Yeah, I think he did this himself.
Oh, the door's dragging on the floor right there. It's nice. Looks like it needs some instead of gold. This gold is, oh no, they're nice as is.
Something that I like. I want to do it. I just
Right. This fence needs to be fixed.
So see, all these windows are double windows.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's cool, but it's kind of nuts.
Yeah.
Well, that's good if you like peace and quiet.
I noticed it here, and that's how I asked him. I said, "How come? What's going on with this? Be careful."
Oh, thanks. You too. So, okay. It's always nice to have. Let's see. So,
The lines are there.
Put it outside.
I would make a big small bathroom here,
Yeah,
and that way this room can be kind of turned into a studio,
right.
and somebody can just come in from here.
True. I don't have like a ADU,
ADU.
kind of.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh, this door needs to be replaced. You see that?
What's that?
I think the door is smashed. It needs to be replaced.
Oh shoot! Yeah. Yep.
Well, anything's possible with enough money or time. Okay.